Hello, welcome. My name's Jessen. I'm the head distiller here at Vintage Spirits Distillery in Midvale, Utah. Today I'd like to show you how to make my very favorite tropical drink using Vintage Spirits dark rum. Let's get started. First step, ice. Plenty of ice. We're going to fill our cocktail glass close to full. Next, 2 ounces of Vintage Spirits dark rum. Next ingredient, 1 ounce Coco Lopez cream of coconut. 1 ounce orange juice. Fresh works best, but whatever orange juice you have will work fine. Top with pineapple juice, typically about 4 ounces to 1 ounce of everything else. Instead of shaking it, we're just going to pour it back and forth a couple times, get it mixed up nice here. Then, we're going to garnish it. Very important, nutmeg. Some people like a little, I like a lot. Nice little lime, cherry for garnishment, and there you have it. My favorite dark rum drink, the Painkiller. The Painkiller was invented by the Soggy Dollar Bar in the British Virgin Islands. It's been around for a long time. You should give it a try. You should get your dark rum from Vintage Spirits, Midvale, Utah, 6844 South, 300 West, Grain to Glass Distillery. Been here for 3 years now. Thank you for watching. Keep following for more recipes.